Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the first application that we are going to work with, and this is Zoho CRM. One option is to go all the way to the left side and then click on Zoho CRM, which is one of the applications that you use. Another option is just to go and access Zoho CRM directly. In my case, it will be crm.zoho.com. The reason that I like to go directly using this link is because the functionality is a little bit different, or the UI, it's a bit different. I find it to be less glitchy, more stable, and I think you will have a better user experience if you do it this way. Now, first of all, if you never worked with the system before, you will need to update those fields. My company name is Brightflow Solutions. I will have here this phone number, and we will have about 10 employees, and we were in Pacific daytime. That's awesome, and I do want to load some dummy data. And let's click on Get Started. For some people, you will see on the top, it will say Try Zoho for Everyone. And in case, so I don't have here this option, but in case that you are using Zoho for Everyone, the navigation will go to the left side. I will ask Zoho to add me to the Zoho for Everyone. So part of the course, I can show you the view when the navigation is on the top, and some of the lessons, you will have the navigation on the left side. It's all the same. It's just the navigation is in a different place. Once the sample data is in, you will get this message, and then you will see all those records in the system. In general, Zoho CRM, some people will use it just for sales. So the conventional way will be that Zoho CRM, you will have leads, you will have contacts, and so on, which I will explain it in a second. I don't see it this way. So first of all, Zoho as a system, it's a fantastic system that can serve everyone in the business. Think about Zoho CRM as the hub, the main location that all the data is in, and then like an octopus, it's just sending data to many different applications. So first of all, it's the main hub. There is a way to work with views, and those views will show each employee in the company what to do. Let me load a system that is a system that we usually build for clients, just so I can show you the direction and what you can do with the Zoho CRM. So in this case, for example, this is one of our systems. You can see that here I will have a view that will show you everything that I need to do today. So those will be all the leads in this case that I'm supposed to take care of today. Every employee in every role will see a different list based on his role. For example, my assistant will see all the people that she's supposed to book for an intro meeting in this view. One of my sales guys will see all the follow-ups that they're supposed to do, which means the same view, the same page, will show each employee in the company different information that is related to their job that's supposed to be done today. So here you will see that you have the follow-up date, it's for today, and everything before today, which means stuff that I missed. So I really think that Zoho can be this one place, Zoho CRM, that every employee in the company can use instead of using tasks and using different features that are not really required. So anyway, that's my view about Zoho CRM. But if you look at it out of the box, people will tell you that Zoho CRM is for salespeople, which I disagree, but I need to give you my idea about it. On the homepage, you will have the different dashboards. We are going to talk about dashboards later on, wherever it's related to you. We are going to talk about leads and lead sources and lead scoring and anything that is related to you regarding your marketing. Leads will be people that are interested in working with you, but you never qualify them yet. Might be over a phone call, email, form, I don't care. But they want to work with you, but they don't know who you are and what you do. You obviously want to work with them, but you don't know if they can afford you and if they will be good clients. So it's a blind date kind of a thing. Whenever the lead is going to be qualified, which means you think that there is a future for this lead and they think that you are a good match, now let's talk about business. Now let's discover what will be the pricing and so on. At that point, you will convert the lead and the lead will become a contact, account, and deal. And I will explain. The information that you will have for the lead will include a bunch of information. The person name, the person email, the person phone number, the company that this person works with. Some cases you don't have a company and that's okay. So you will have a bunch of information. Whenever you are converting this lead, this information will flow into the contacts, accounts, and deals. The contacts will receive the information that is related to the person. For example, the first name, last name, phone number, email. The account will be the company that this person works for, which means this company. So the account will be created automatically, and the account will show that this person is working for this company. And the last thing is the deals. The deal will be the process of trying to sell something to this person. I don't like the name deals because deals is misleading. For me, where I'm coming from, deal it's handshake. We have a deal, but this is not really a deal. I am offering you something and you can say no or yes and renegotiate and change products. It's an opportunity. So whenever I'm working with the system, I always rename deals to opportunity. In addition, you have tasks, you have meetings, you have calls, and we are not going to talk about the rest of them for now. If you will go to the setup section, you will see that you have lots and lots of features. The ones that are related to marketing, we are going to cover during this course. The ones that are not related to the marketing role, we are not going to cover because that will be a 3-month course. Okay, it's a big system. So I think for the CRM side, I think we're okay. I want to show you one more thing that will help you not to get overwhelmed with all the modules and the things that we are going to do. If you will go to the settings or the setup, and then you will go to modules and fields, you will go to the tab groups, you will create a new one, and let's just call it marketing. And here we will have the features that are related to us. It will be leads, contacts, accounts, deals, reports, analytics, campaigns, social, emails. You can have also tasks, meetings, and calls. It's okay, but it's not mandatory. And let's click on save. So now you will see on the left side, I have here this drop down. And if you have the view on the left side, you will do it from the bottom. So it's exactly the same thing. It's just the look is a bit different. Let me just bring the other system. So let's go to the CRM. And this is if you are using this view. So you have the team space. You will create a new team space that will be, here we'll call it marketing. And then let's add some modules. So we'll have the home, the leads, the contacts, accounts. You see here I renamed the deals to opportunities because it is an opportunity. So let's say we have those. We'll click on add, click on save. I already have one name marketing. Opportunities. I need to know how to write something. That's good. Okay. So now you will see on the bottom that I have one more marketing opportunities, and you will see here those items. In both cases, it's identical functionality. Next, we are going to continue our journey with the Zoho CRM. We are going to talk about lead sources and other things, web forms and so on. So stay tuned.